dear students, how are you? I know that you are fine and you are safe. Dear students, today we are going to learn English General, and in that the lesson number 1 is letters of the English alphabet. Do you know, dear students, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Last time I told you that while you write, you just count it. Now today we are going to learn about the vowels and the consonants too. Do you know there are 5 vowels in English alphabet? Yes, there are 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O and U. And the remaining letters are called consonants. Let's have a look over here. These are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. And the consonants are the remaining letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. They are called consonants. Now, do you know why they are called vowels? Because A, E, I, O, U is called vowels because when we speak them, when we pronounce them, we can speak with our mouth open. Just try it with me. Come on, let's repeat. A, E, I, O, U. See, now you can see your teeth, tongue and lips are not closed. They are open. And do you know one thing more? That each word has vowel. Let me give you some examples. Like cat, C-A-T, cat, P-I-N, pin, B-A-T, bat. You can see there is a vowel in each word. P-O-T, pot, B-U-N, bun. You can see there is a vowel O, U, I, A. You can see everywhere. Even you can spell your name. If you will spell your name, there will be vowel in your name. So dear students, try that. Try by writing your name. Just see how many vowels are coming in that from A, E, I, O, U. Now, the remaining letters are called consonants. Why? Because when we speak them, our mouth is closed. It's fairly closed. You can try some. Come on, try B, C, D. Right? So dear students, you can try it all them. So today we have learned about the vowels and consonants. How many vowels? Yes, 5. They are A, E, I, O, U. And how many the remaining letters are? Consonants. Is that clear with you? Thank you. Okay students, now we'll learn arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now tell me one thing. Do we write C before A? No. Right? Do we write S before Q? No. We never write like that, right? We write them in order only and we cannot write any letter before or after their sequence. Now, here you can see we have written A, B, B के बाद C, C, then D, then E, then F and so on. So dear students, this is called alphabetical order. ये alphabetical order है. Now dear students, we'll learn some examples and some examples I will give you. You have to arrange that words in alphabetical order. Now here you can see arrange the words in alphabetical order. One is mango, banana and apple. Are they in alphabetical order? No, right? How? M is the first letter which I have written over here, then B and the spelling starts with A. Now tell me, which spellings will come first? Which word will come first? Yes, you are right. A for apple, right? Apple, banana, very good students. And then will come mango. Let's see here in chart. You can see, yes, A is first, then B and then following by M. So this is in alphabetical order. Now take another example, that is dog, cat and fish. Are they in alphabetical order? Are these words? No, right? Which spelling will come first? Is there any spelling is starting with A? No. Right? B? No. Then C? Yes. Then it will come first. C-A-T, cat. Very good. Now, after that, D. Oh yes, we have that. D-O-G, dog. E? No. F? Yes, we have. So, it will be F-I-S-H, fish. So, this is cat, dog and fish. These words are in alphabetical order. Now, take another example. Tree, plant and flower. Come on, let's start. Is any word is starting with A? No. Then B? No. C? No. D? No. E? No. F? Oh yes, we have F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. So write that word first. That's F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then G? No. H? No. I? No. J? No. K? No. L? No. M? No. O? N? No. O? No. P? Oh yes, we have that word. P-L-A-N-T, plant. So here we will write after the flower, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Then word with Q? No. Word with R? No. Word with S? No. We don't have a word with R or S. Then do we have a word with T? Yes. T-R-E-E, tree. So here it comes order like flower, plant and tree. So this is called to arrange the words in alphabetical order. You can try some more examples. I have given this word that you have to copy down in your class workbook from the website, right dear students? So just copy that. Okay dear students, so today we have learned about the vowels, consonants and to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now today we will end our session with one poem. Are you excited for that? Are you ready to sing with me? Come on, let's start. You know this poem, it's about the vowel. How many are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. Very good. A, E, I, O, U. Now we'll sing one poem regarding it. Ready for that? Okay. Vowels of the alphabets, I name them by name. O, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them by name. So, thank you.